In the first module, we undertook the initial stages of researching a historical essay with this proposed topic. In what ways did the Spanish Civil War, 1936 to 1939, come to represent a significant test of the will and strength of the democracies to resist the rise of fascism? We began our research using Palmer's course textbook in order to acquire reliable background information and to identify the standard authoritative books on our topic. In this module, we'll use the shared library catalog to expand our research and locate additional reputable books. By using the shared library catalog to locate and consult the reliable books noted in Palmer's bibliography, we can continue to deepen our knowledge of the conflict. As an added benefit, we can use the bibliographies contained in each of the recommended titles to locate additional scholarly materials on our topic. Let's look for the key book recommended by Palmer on the Spanish Civil War, Hugh Thomas's Spanish Civil War. We'll begin by going to Western Library's homepage at www.lib.uwo.ca. At Western Library's homepage, click the purple Advanced Search Catalog button. Our search type is Title. Once we've selected that from the list of search options, type Spanish Civil War and press Go. We've discovered a large number of research materials, all beginning with the title Spanish Civil War. In order to locate the particular book cited by Palmer, let's limit the results from the simple title search by using additional information we know from Palmer's bibliography. The date of publication, 2001, and the author's last name, Thomas. A screen appears with the item record for Thomas's book, including title and author, and a lot of other useful information too. Let's look at the contents of the item record more closely. At the top of the item record is the bibliographic information for this particular book. This information is helpful in preparing a very important part of any historical essay, the bibliography of sources consulted. There are labels for the author, Hugh Thomas, along with the year of his birth, 1931, the full title of the book, The Spanish Civil War, and publisher information, including the place of publication, New York, the publisher, Modern Library, and the year of publication of this revised edition, 2001. This information is exactly what's needed in producing the bibliography of an essay. The shared library catalog is a very handy place to find it. The middle part of the item record provides information to help find the book, beginning with the library building and shelf location. Under the location column is a 3-letter code that identifies the library where the book can be found. DBW means the D.B. Weldon Library. The word stack refers to the general collection within Weldon. The stacks are located in Room A, lower level, and on floors 2 through 5 upstairs, and are arranged by call number. The middle part of the library catalog record also contains the call number of the book. All call numbers in Western libraries use letters as well as numbers, so remember to keep track of the entire string of characters, DP 269, decimal T5, 2001. Copy down, print out, or email this information. To find call numbers in Weldon, consult signs found on the elevators as well as on each floor. The last segment indicates the status of the title, whether it's in the library, as this book is, or out on loan. The next part of this item record displays the table of contents of Thomas's book. Table of contents information is provided for many titles published after 1993 and can be very helpful in providing a preliminary sense of a book's content and research focus. Near the bottom of the item record is a note field that indicates there are extensive bibliographic references on pages 945 to 994, as well as an index. Notice also that Thomas's book is over 1,000 pages in length. Given the inevitable time constraints, even though we know Thomas's book is recognized as the definitive account of the Spanish Civil War, we'll likely have to read appropriate chapters selectively for the content that directly relates to the will and strength of the democracies to resist the rise of fascism.